We have here an RE38834.28. It's an MFD drop box. And what we do here is we come and we inspect the splines to make sure they are in great condition. As you can see, this one is. I'm going to show you another one that is in bad condition. You can see how thin your splines are versus your other one. And then what we will do on this also, we will remove the gear. We will inspect here to make sure there's no grabbing. And this one here is in good condition. And I'll show you the difference in this one. This one, as you can see, it grabs your finger where your clutches has been riding. So that's how you're inspecting these MFD drop boxes. This one here will be scrapped. This one here will be put on the shelf. And here's the stock number if you're interested in it.